know that you can have a flawless glowing skin with just 10,000 naira, which is just $8? In this economy, it seems very, very impossible to do because skincare products are very expensive. And before you buy this and buy that, we're talking about 50K and all of that. But in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a skincare routine for your face and for your body that is as low as 10,000 naira. And this skincare routine is for both fair and caramel skin. So if you're a student, you are going to love this particular video because this particular video was actually requested by a student who is on a budget. So if you're on a budget, this particular video is for you. The best thing you're going to do for you and for me is to watch through this video, because one thing is, if you're on a budget, there are some things you need to do extra from someone who is not on a budget. So I'm going to be giving you some personal tips I used when I was in school that also helped me to get a flawless skin in as much as I was on a budget. I am going to assure you that this particular routine is very effective if you follow everything and get the products I tell you to get and actually use the tips I tell you in this video. You are going to achieve a glowing, radiant skin. So that being said, welcome to today's video. I'm happy to see you. Please like this video. Even before you start watching, click the like button, subscribe if you have not, leave a comment if you have any questions, or just say happy new month to you too. Yeah, let's begin. So the lotion we are going to be using for this routine is Desert Vitamin C lotion. Now I am choosing this particular lotion because this particular lotion is actually very nice. It is brightening, it is moisturizing, and it is hydrating for your skin, and it is good for both caramel skin and for both fair skin. Now this particular lotion is not going to bleach you. Now, as a student, because of the situation you are in school, you are always walking around to and fro. Using a lightening cream, okay, using a lightening cream is mostly going to get you dark, unless you are using your sunscreen or really protecting yourself from the sun, which is not really easy to do as a student. As a student, you are here and there from this faculty to the next, and all, you are up and about. So the best type of lotion for you to use as a student is a brightening lotion, a lotion that will not make your skin too sensitive to the sun. And the most affordable one I have used, that I have certified that this lotion is good. It helps you to clear dark spots on your body, it helps you with hyperpigmentation, and that you can also use on your face. Remember, this is a budget skincare routine, so whatever we are using on our body is the same thing we are going to use on our face. Now this particular lotion is suitable for the face. I'm going to tell you how to use it, okay, later on. Now the soap you are going to be using in this routine is no other but Kojic Gluta Papaya Arbutin soap. See, just get these two things and you will not regret it. Okay, you need to get this soap. This will be your soap morning and night. I'm also going to be giving you tips. Please do not skip any part of this video. For this routine to work for you, you need to actually hear everything I have to say. So, but this is the soap you are going to use. Now this particular lotion sells for 6,000 naira. Okay, I actually got this one for 5,500, but let me just say 6,000 naira depending on where you are. Now this particular soap sells for 1,800, 1,900 naira. So you can see that we are still at 6,000, or we are still at 7,000 something. Okay, so this is your morning and night body lotion. This is your morning and night soap. Now if you're having breakouts, if you're having dark spots, you are having hyperpigmentation, sunburn, and all of those things, this soap is going to help you with it. So this routine is not just going to help to brighten your skin, it is also going to help to treat any hyperpigmentation, any sunspots, dark spots you have on your body. That is why I chose these two things as your routine. This is the two things you are going to be using for both your face and your body. And for this soap, if you know me well, I always say anything that contains kojic acid, do not use it past 3 months. Okay, now this routine is, if you are going to use this routine for a long time, this is not a routine you are going to use and in like 1 month maybe you did not see the results you're expecting, you stop using it. No, you are going to use this routine for a long time. If the first set finishes, get another set until you see the results you are looking for you to see results with a particular routine on your skin or even on your face, you have to use it for a prolonged period of time, like 3 months, 6 months. That is the duration for your skin to one, learn that product, get used to it, and then start giving you what you want, and that product is going to start working for you. So after 3 months of using these two things, you are going to stop using this one and you are going to switch this soap with Unique four season soap. Now this one is actually cheaper. This one is 900 naira. Okay, so after 3 months, please do not, if you know your skin, you are getting dark. The person that actually requested for this, she says she's getting dark due to sun, she has spots and all of that. Don't buy this one yet. Start with this pair. Look for this soap and get this soap. Okay, if you do not see it, let me know in the comment section, so I'll prescribe another one for you, but this is the one I highly recommend. After 3 months, discontinue this soap and then use this one, because this is a milder brightening soap. Still pair it with this particular one. Now that is all for your body and partially for your skin. Now another thing we are going to talk about is exfoliating. Now because this is a budget skincare routine, our budget 10,000 naira cannot contain a body scrub. Okay, but if you can get a body scrub, that is cool. But if you cannot get a body scrub, you are going to need to get this particular sponge glove. Okay, you need to get this to use it like 2 times in a week in your skincare routine. This video right here, I'm placing the thumbnail. Please look for it on my channel and watch the video on how I demonstrated how to exfoliate your skin without a body scrub. Now you are going to use this soap the days you are going to be using this your glove, using the exact routine I explained on that video. So you are going to be exfoliating 2 times a week with the routine the way I explained it there. Okay, because you really need to exfoliate your skin for your skin to glow, for your skin to be radiant, for your dark spots to clear, and all of those things you really need to exfoliate. So since we are not buying a body scrub, we need to find a way to remove the dead skin cells from our body. Now the next thing for your face at night, the person that requested for this video says she's having breakouts at night. We are going to buy this one. Now this one is 1,200 naira. This is Nixodam. I talk about Nixodam every time. If you're on a budget and you are breaking out, get Nixodam. Now some people say they use Nixodam and it increases the breakout on their face. That is what my last video talked about. Now if you notice that the breakout is increasing, it is because it is purging your skin. It is bringing out the other pores, like it is sort of purging your skin and bringing out everything underneath your skin to the surface, and then it to start treating it. So every night, this is not an easy thing to apply on your face, but just try and apply because it stings the face. So just avoid your eye area. Apply this thing on your face every night. Have it as a routine. Okay, don't be checking your face and be saying, oh, is it going? It's not. Just have it as a routine. If it finishes, as I said, buy another one. Give yourself 6 months. With this routine I'm giving you in this video, as a student, you are going to see that your skin is going to glow. Now another thing I do personally, even when I was in school till now, is to use vitamin C. Now this is vitamin C tablet. This is like the cheapest type of vitamin C you can get, and I get this type because I do not directly get a prescription from a pharmacist. So in order not to take excess of vitamin C that your body does not need, it is better to take less. Now the method I'm using is using drops of water. Like when you are dropping drops of water, it seems small, but over time it makes impact. That is what I do with this particular vitamin C. So every day I take 4 tablets. Now that four of it is 400 milligram. Normally you should have 1,000 milligram of vitamin C a day when it is prescribed by your physician. But since there is no prescription here, taking little will do you no harm. This is what I use personally. Okay, so I use this. Over time, you are going to see the result of this thing in your skin and even in your health. Okay, if you're someone that usually has cold and all of that, this is really going to help you. Now over to the tips I talked about. As a student, you need to stay hydrated. Drink more water more than you eat food. This is what I did. Drink water more than you eat food. Water is very, very good when it comes to your skin. Lack of water in your system can cause you to be breaking out. Lack of water in your system can cause your skin to be dull. Lack of water in your skin can cause the sun to darken you more, to burn your skin because your skin is not hydrated. So take water. Another tip I have for you is, as a student, immediately you come back from class, usually you are you should have your bath 2 times a day, morning and night. Okay, but as a student, immediately you come back from class, after walking through that sun, running from one lecture hall to the other, go and have your bath. Don't wait till night, because that time you are using to wait, that hours you are giving your skin space to wait till the night, the whole sun and everything is having time to sit into your body, and the effect of the sun is like relaxing on your skin. So immediately you come back from class, go straight to the bathroom and have your bath. I know some days it can be very challenging, some days you can skip. I do too, I do skip sometimes when I was in school, but I still pick up. After class, go to your room, have your bath before you eat, because if you eat, you are going to want to sleep. Okay, so have your bath before you start eating. Don't prolong your bath to the night. If you do this particular thing, go, you are going to really see an impact in your skin. So another tip I want to give you is something I practice personally, and that is, anytime I get money as a student, I usually buy malts like Malta Guinness or any type of malt. I buy it, and I buy one tin milk, like peak milk, tin milk. I mix it together and I drink. I don't do this routine every time, but anytime money comes to my hand as a student, I usually do this. Now, why do I do this? I do this one for nourishment. Your skin is nourished from inside out. Okay, and especially when you are on a budget, you need to work more on inside, because it is what is inside that is going to reflect in the outside. You see, this last tip I gave you, try it. If you can do it like once a week or once in 2 weeks, just buy malt and buy a tin of milk, mix it together and drink it. Like, I take it like a therapy, like a drug. Okay, after taking it, you are going to feel like to sleep, like it's like a relaxing therapy that has a very beautiful effect on your skin. Now, the next tip I want to give you is the one I do for my face. Anytime you want to cook that your indomie and you have egg, just remove a little egg white, okay, and apply it on your face. Once it dries up, wash it. These are little things I do that over time my skin was glowing. Even as a student, when I go home, like, I don't look like someone that came from school. I don't look like I'm suffering, I'm managing money. Do you get? But these little things, when you put it together and form it as a habit, give yourself 1 semester and your skin is going to transform. Just do everything I told you in this video, and 1 semester, when you go home, people will say, are you sure you came back from school? Because you are glowing. What are you doing? They will not know it's little things you are doing. It's not really what you are using on your skin. So follow everything I said in this video, and you are going to see a change in your body. Most importantly, let me recap: drink water, do the malt and milk ritual if you can. I actually suggest you should use that egg. See that egg you used to eat with your indomie? Just take a little egg white, apply it on your face as regularly as you can. It really help your face. It will help to tighten pores. It will help your face to be smoother and fresher and glowing. Okay, and also scrub your skin. And the another big one is to have your bath immediately you come back from class. Do not wait till night. So follow all these things, and you are going to see a serious dramatic change in your skin, and you're going to come back to this comment section and say thank you. So that's all I have for you today. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you follow everything I told you, because you're actually going to see results in everything if you follow it. Thank you for joining me today. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're not, and I'm going to see you on our next one.